forgot something. Okay. Dirty laundry, that's what I'm calling this. Okay, I repainted it, took the wallpaper off, patched the walls, primed it, and put this color on. I think it looks so much better. Laundry rooms are so boring normally. This color may not be for everybody, and it may not look the same on this as it does here. But anyway, the reason I picked this color is fabric for the kitchen chairs. I don't know if you can see that, but it picks up the colors. And then the kitchen walls are the red. Well, they're going to be that red. Eventually I'm going to repaint it because it needs it anyway. So anyway, that's it. So, not tomorrow. I got to be plumber tomorrow. So, probably next week I'm going to come in here and darken the cabinets up some. Not a ton, just enough to tweak them and red them up a little bit. I think they're too dated. Looks so much better, a little darker. But anyway. And it's a long ways, 35 foot probably. And it's going to be an expensive and back-breaking job, which I'm not gonna tackle, I don't think. But anyway, don't kick it, let Bob fix it. Happy trails.